Hi folks, I'm John with Inspector Prime. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the client request sheet. This is a very simple tool that allows your clients and agents to export their inspection findings to their own repair credit request builder.
So let's start discussing the client request sheet. If you're in your Inspector Prime residential template here, and you're in the full report, simply click in, and you'll see down here our section on the client request sheet. We've got instructions for the client, how to use it, and the link to that client request sheet is right here. They can also open that same link by clicking this button we've programmed in. But let's see how we get this link and place it in the report itself. Let's go to our edit mode, go to data view, and when we're in our data view, we're going to go to the narratives table, down to our client deliverables section and the client request sheet. And you'll notice that this is essentially programmed so that we've got only those fields we want to show the client or agent inside the client request sheet visible. They only need the basics. If you want to change this, you certainly can. We also have it filtered so that the property record is not empty, so that only narratives that are applied to the property are visible. And we don't want any narratives that are under review to be shown, so we have to have the review field unchecked. And the finding type is defects, so we only show defects instead of informational comments or limitation comments. So how do we grab the link from this and how do we put it in the report? Let's do that next. I want to point out that you're going to have to do this for every inspection. You're going to have to grab the link when you're setting up your inspection prior to, hit share and sync, share link to this view, and you can go and view the link settings. And what you want to do is you want to allow viewers to copy data out of this view. Okay. Now hit copy link. Now go back to our interfaces, go to the inspector portal, go to the property details, click in, and then you're going to go down and you're going to find the client request sheet. And it's already there for us, but Control V, paste it in there, and now the client request sheet is automatically set up and ready to go. So when you deliver the inspection, this is already set up for you. Now, let's open our interface here and let's see what the client sees when they do this. What they're going to get when they click on this is this view right here. Okay, this is essentially all of the defect findings in their property, their inspection, and they can open up each record. You can have the essential data, and when you try to click into this, it doesn't work. And that's because this is a view you shared with them. They are not editors in the system. What they're going to do when they get this and open this link is they're simply going to hit use this data. They're going to then open up their own Airtable base with this data in it, and then they can edit the client request, comments, and if applicable, the credit amount requested. From there, it's very simple to see how they can put together all of the requests they want and how it adds up automatically for them here. They can share that with their clients. The agent can do this as well. If the client has indicated they want to share the report results with their agent, the agent will get this as well. It's the same link. And because they're logged into your client portal already, they've already got an Airtable account. So it's really simply click the link, click this button, load it to their own base, and get to work. And so that's the client request sheet. It's a very simple tool that allows them to actually use the data from their inspection to put together their requests, their credit requests, their repair requests, things like that, and share this with their agents, with the seller, with the seller's agent, and so on. Thanks for joining me.